Well, I've ended up with multiple build plates that fit my X1 carbon, so finally needed to have a storage solution for them and printed this build plate holder. Now they're easy and accessible right next to the printer here. So I've got the textured PEI build plate from Bambu Lab. Works pretty well. Obviously designed to work with the X1 carbon directly. The build plate that's on the X1 carbon there in the left in the machine is actually from Wham Bam, and I've really liked the build plates from Wham Bam. This one is their carbon fiber build plate. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to have a printing project that I can actually use this one and try it out. I've actually had Wham Bam build plates on all the 3D printers that I've owned, from my original NP Monoprice Mini Select, my Ender 5 Pro and Ender 5 Plus, and now the X1 Carbon. We've already seen the build plates loaded in the holder. This was right after it was done printing, and it wasn't cool enough yet to take off the build plate, but thank you for watching.